Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about group by clause. Okay, let's see. So, using group by, we can divide the rows written from the select statement into groups. Means we are fetching result using a select, and using group by we can group those data uh, and divide the rows written from the select statement into group. That's it. So for each group, you can apply an aggregate function like count, sum, min, max like this. So we can divide the fetch result into group and we can apply a count result on this. Okay, let's see what is the syntax. Suppose select, suppose column 1 we want, column 1 and some column function also. Suppose aggregate function can be we used to okay aggregate function and inside aggregate function some another column okay from table name and this is important group by column 1. That's it, like this. So here aggregate function is a not function. I am putting just this for a reference that you can understand. Aggregate function means sum, count, mean, like that. We can use this function like here also. So let's see. So group by eliminate the duplicate values like distinct. So it eliminate duplicate value to group by. So get the total count of program group by program name. So let's see where is our program table. Inside CMAS table we have a program table. Okay, let's see. Suppose select star from program. Let's run the query. You can see that the program values are coming up. The program has PID, PName, TID, SID, P, bash start, all these value. Okay, we want the count of program group by program name. So how many program are in our table? Let's see. Here you can see that 19 record are there. Okay, if you want to count, what we need to do? So simply how we do count. Suppose count star from program means it count all the values that program contain, but we want it to group by means suppose program aptitude, how many aptitude are in this, or how many racing are in this. You can see that graph are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So like group by pname column, and next is the count that how many are this program. Okay, let's see. So we want select star from program. Suppose use group by without any select, group by pname. Okay, let's see. It give me an error that column program PID must appear in group by clause or be used in an aggregate function. Select star from PID means it select all the columns. Okay, let's select only the PName column. But we want a count, so we are using like this. So count star count all from program and group by PName. Okay, now it work. Let's see. It giving only count that, but we cannot understand what is the result. 3 is this for, 1 is which for, 6 is which for. Okay, so let's fetch the pname column first and followed by the next column. So pname count, and so this give me an error. Let's see how. No, this will not give me an error. That's it. So select pname comma count star from program group by pname. So what if I not use this group by clause? Now it gonna work. No, it give me an error. So we cannot use aggregate function. Let's see. Column program.pname must appear in group by clause. Means this must appear in group by clause. So uh, uh, or to be used in aggregate function, or use it with the aggregate function. Okay, let's see. If I use count pname, then error one or not. Yes, fine. It count and the total program name and all the record. Okay, so the error is using aggregate function or must appear in group by clause. So we are putting this pname in group by clause. Group by clause. Group by clause with group by pname. That's it. Oh. So echo 1, aptitude 1. Here you can see that graph there are the 6. That's it. Okay. So let's get average of p name. So our table value contains select star from program. Okay, let's get average of program fee, means average of this column group by program name, means the fee taken for each program. Okay, we want a average of program name, average of fee. We want average of fee from program. That's it. Run only is this is the average, but we want group by program name, group by p name. That's it. Let's run the query. You can see that what we haven't specified p name column, so p name group by p name. So echo aptitude, all these each course average. So if has null value, that's it. Okay, the values are too correct. You can see that like that. Okay, so get sum of p group by PID. Okay, we want group by PID. We want sum of p from program group by PID. That's it. PID and sum of p. Okay. So select. What if I use this? Select minimum p name from program. What is the result? What will be the result? We know that it arrange in, it takes first, okay, in ascending order, and if I use max, it takes last in descending order. Scala. So alter table program, add column program length integer. So we are going to add one more column program length, that is we need in our previous tutorial for every time. Okay, alter table program, let's add one more column, add column name is program length, program length, integer. That's it. Let's run the query. Yes, query returned successfully. If I see the data, select star from program. Let's run the query. Oh, but the all values were for a previous detail are null. So let's insert some values in it. Okay, update program set program length equal to suppose 400. Up to that, all program length become 400. Update program, set program length equal to 400. What will be the result? Let's see. Yes, query returned successfully. All the null value replaced with 400. Okay. Okay, now change some value into different so that we can easily understand where PID equal to, suppose first 6 become 300. Yes. 7 become 200. 113. 1014. 15. 800. So different values are inserted for program length column. 16. Same values were inserted. Suppose 200 again, and 200 for 2 2 2 2. Yes, that's it. Okay. We don't update query now, so let's switch all value. We have a value with program length. Okay, now the query is suppose um, let's write a query directly. Suppose um, select from program. uh, we want values group by program name. So group by program name, group by program name is, we want group by program name means we need to understand for each program. So first column we will take always p name, and next is that we want minimum program length. First column is minimum program length as um, according to group by program, and we want a maximum program. Okay, let's see minimum program length from program group by p name. Let's run the query. Yes, it worked fine. So the minimum program length was 200 group by, but first come a null value that's not looking good. So I am using here nulls last. So all null value become at the last. What is the error here? SQL syntax at or here nulls minimum program length from program group by p name null last. Okay, copy this and paste before group by. Let's see what is the result. Nulls last group by p name. No. Then what is the, then why it is not fetching value? Oh, we need to use nulls after order by clause. But if we use order by clause, then there is no need to use a group by clause. Suppose order by p name, all null values come at the last because we are arranging from A to Z. So by default it is ASC. So all null values have become at the last. And if I use DASC, all null values comes at top. But and now if you want a null last, then we can use nulls last. So you can see that null value come at last. If I use null first, then it will arrange as it is. With ASC2, with ascending value 2, we can use nulls first. Null value come first. That's it. Okay. Suppose, can we use group by without aggregate function? Let's see. Let's see. Suppose fetch program length from program group by program length. Is it going to work? Yes, we can. Group by program length. The queries are coming here, but we haven't fetched a p name, so we cannot understand what is the program length for which group. So group by program length, but here is an error. So we need to p name in an aggregate function or group by clause. So we need to put this program length or p name in group by clause. So can we put both of these here? Yes, we can, but we cannot understand what we are doing. Yes, it work. That's it. Okay. So suppose program length that we have write first program length. Here you can see that it eliminate all duplicate value and all the existing program length are come here because it was grouped by program length. Okay, select program length. And if I use only not group by select program length, then it comes all value not eliminate program length. We know that program length from program. Okay, all values coming here. Suppose, and also with order by, we can use order by program length too. So all less value coming upper and greater value at our down. So okay, let's see. That's all about this. So the another one concept is, can we use multiple column or more than one column in group by? Okay, let's see. Suppose write a query, select PID comma pname comma minimum of program length from program. So we are using one more column here, PID. We have done these two with one aggregate function and one column before. Okay, let's see it gonna work or not. Group by suppose pname, not PID. Okay, let's see. It gave me an error that it me telling that this PID use either in aggregate function like minimum of PID or maximum of PID and count of PID, or either use in group by clause. So I am using it with PID group by. Okay, it's work fine. That's all about the magic of group by. So we can do here order by. So all PIDs are coming like this, all pname and all the minimum of program length. So we can do order by PID to pname to. Okay, let's do order by PID is 3 4 5 6 7. What if I do order by pname to here? Let's see. So order by order of PID is maintained, and also the order of pname is also maintained. So 3 all A, B, C, D to Z values are in this. For all A to Z values are here. So let's see duplicate values. Here 6. There are no duplicate there. Okay. So you can use here 1 also. What is the result if I use 1? Yes, order by PID means 1 is the column first in select. If I use 2, the column second in select. If I use 3, the column third in select. Column third is minimum, so you can see the arranging minimum to maximum, 100 to 100 to 100 to 100, like that. Okay, so use write different query. Suppose select, we want a average of program length. So let's use average of program length function from program length from program. So average is like this, but we want to group by, so we can understand group by pname. If I run this, it will give me an error. No, it will not give me an error. It will calculate average by group by pname, but for our understanding, we use pname column to with this. Okay, we can fetch PID to like for multiple column, or one more column. Suppose SID to we can fetch TID to. We can fetch too many columns, but we need to use it rather either in aggregate function or either in group by clause. So let's see, pname, PID, SID, TID. Yes, it works fine. It groups all the columns for average. Okay, we can arrange it now order by, so all order by PID. Okay, order by PID is the second column. Let's run. Yes, order by PID is come 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all about this. You can practice more about for this. Okay, suppose um, let's focus on student table. So select start from student. Okay, let's say student has ID, name and address. So can we count a student? Suppose let's count a student according to their address. Suppose Sangamaner, Sangamaner there are how many students? Jay, Bunty, Sam, Brian, Kishan, all these from Sangamaner. Okay, let's group by address. Group by address. Group by address. Address. What is the spelling of address? Student. Yes, address. That was yes, address. Oh, it telling me that use, if we are using star means all column, that telling that use column in aggregate function or in count. Okay, let's count star. Use star with count all record. So it give me group by address. Suppose we want as a p name, so we can understand yes name, as we can understand which student belong to which address, how many students belong to that address. Okay, so we need to use we want address. First we want address, and second how many students are from that address. Sorry for your confusion. Yes, address. That's it. Address is Sangamaner and there are 8 students. Address is Wagapur, there is 1 student. Vaga 1. Hira 1. That's all. So we have organizer table too. Okay, let's see. Let's make more practice. So select star from organizer. So ID, name, last name, birth date, rented, salary. So let's fetch the maximum birth date from our organizer. So if you use here aggregate function, we must need group by class. Okay, max of birth date. It give me an error. So oh, didn't give me an error that we haven't used group by class. It give me an maximum birth date means the latest one. Okay, suppose group by first name. But we haven't fetched first name column. Group by first name Prathamesh and maximum date is this is only coming that one date because we are using maximum here. Okay, if you use here only per date, and if you fetch okay, not occurring, this is okay. So select first name and average of salary. According to each, but we have only to record according to her average of, according to each organizer average of salary. So there will be two row because we have only two column. Group by app name, suppose that's it. Average of salary Prathamesh has, that's only this. So I think there will be two according to the Prathamesh name also. Prathamesh name only. Okay. So can we use aggregate function in group by? Okay, let's see. Suppose group by uh, suppose max of app name means there will be no effect, but we can check that it will become or not. So the error is aggregate function are not allowed in group by class. Okay, that's all about group by class. I hope you understand. Thank you.